Hey, what's going on everybody? Kevin Walsh from Ninja Holistic Health and Fitness. I want to share a very unique concept with you today, which is how to build a home gym for yourself for under $150. So if you've got $150 to spend on gym equipment, I highly recommend you getting these pieces of equipment right here. You will definitely be able to get to your health and fitness goals, whether it's losing weight, building lean muscle, or getting ready for some sort of sporting event, and you don't need anything beyond this. I can attest to it. I've gotten into the best shape of my life over the past 10 years and helped many other clients do the same thing as well. So I'll give you just a brief overview of each one of these pieces of equipment. You can purchase them on Amazon, and then at the end of this video, I'll show you how you can put this all together. So the first thing here is the speed ladder. The speed ladder is a great piece of equipment that you can use for cardio. If you have issues with your joints, it's very low impact and it allows you to go across the floor in a myriad of different patterns that elevates the heart rate and gets your metabolism up in a short period of time. Definitely a good piece of equipment, costs about $25. The second one here is the jump rope. As long as you are able to jump up and down at a moderate pace without having any issues with your knees or your ankles, that's a great piece of equipment for cardio as well. Costs anywhere in the range of about $10 to $20 depending on which one you get. The third thing here is the kettlebell. And I always tell people, if I was on a stranded island and I had one piece of equipment that I could have for the rest of my life, this would be my choice right here. That would be my Wilson, like from Tom Hanks in Castaway. That piece of equipment is really great for strength and cardio combined. You get an amazing workout, and it's an amazing conditioning tool for people of all different ages. So definitely get yourself a kettlebell. The size should be dependent on your particular strength and your capabilities. Then moving over here, we have a pair of dumbbells. Dumbbells, of course, are great for different types of resistance training, whether it be for chest presses, squats, all kinds of different applications. But that's kind of a mainstay right there in terms of building strength. And then over here, we have the medicine ball. Now, the medicine ball is something that you can use basically to move in different directions, 3 planes of motion, and do things like squats, all kinds of different exercises with a small piece of resistance. But what it does is it enables you to move more functionally so that your joints can go through a full range of motion as opposed to using machines where you're on a fixed axis. So those are cheap as well. You can get for somewhere between $20 and $30 depending on the size. And then finally, what I'm sitting on here is the Swiss ball. This is really the king of all exercise tools outside of the kettlebell. You can use it for cardio, you can use it for strength. It's amazing for ab work. So if you want to get a good abdominal workout in, there's tons of exercises that you can do on this. You can pick one up for probably $20 to $30 as well on Amazon. So all these things combined here together are going to be pretty much all you need for a home gym. You can store them easily, move them easily, and they're going to last you a lifetime. So with that said, if you have any questions on how to use this piece of equipment, these pieces of equipment that I have in front of me right here, email me kwninjatrainer@gmail.com, and I'm happy to give any advice that I can individually on how to use them. So with that said, go make your home gym for $150, stay healthy and fit, and I will catch you on the next video.